Hello everyone! If you like what you see, stay with me. In this video, I'll show you how I make my incense holders, and I'll also share a few ways to attach the incense sticks, so you can turn these into professionally made pieces you can sell as year-round bestsellers. This project is part of my 6+ resin molds that make best-selling resin pieces in July, which I created to inspire you. Let's get started. I'm using epoxy resin suitable for pours up to 2 cm deep. I'll be using the molds that don't have any built-in patterns, so I can create my own designs. I decided to work with flat-dried flowers. First, I apply a small amount of clear resin in the middle of the mold. This makes it easier to position the flowers. Sometimes I also soak the flowers in resin inside the mixing cup to eliminate trapped air, but that step is optional. Once the dried flowers are placed, I fill the sides of the mold with clear resin mixed with iridescent fine glitter. Then I fill the mold with more clear resin, this time mixed with sequin confetti in pink or blue, depending on the flower color. I apply the resin slowly in small amounts instead of pouring all at once. This helps prevent bubbles. To finish, I top each mold with a small amount of resin, tinted with translucent milky pigment, just enough to give the piece a subtle background color behind the flowers without making it too solid or opaque. Time for unmolding. And here is the result. Now let's talk about how to attach the incense sticks properly. As you can see, the stick doesn't naturally fit into the hole, so I'll show you a few ways to attach the incense sticks. Insert the end of the incense stick directly through the hole, so it sticks out underneath. This works, but it raises one side of the holder off the surface, which doesn't feel completely safe or stable. You can break off the part of the stick that sticks out underneath, but if you're planning to sell these holders, Telling your customers to snap incense sticks might not be the best experience. So let me show you a couple of more professional and user-friendly options. You need a hand or electric drill. This method is simple, reliable, and works beautifully. Before drilling, apply some masking tape to protect the surface of the holder. Drill a small hole parallel to the surface of the holder so the stick stays stable and lays neatly above the piece. Make sure to clean out the hole afterward. I also recommend washing and polish your finished holder before using or selling it. And here is another method. Attach a small resin piece to the holder and drill the hole into that instead. Here are some ideas for small pieces you can attach. I'm using hot silicone glue to fix the crystal into the holder. I've used this method many times and it's strong, fast and reliable. Once the glue is completely cooled, the crystal is permanently secured. Now I drill a hole in the crystal just like I did earlier in the pink holder. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!